regular cars.
Are there a lot of regular cars?
Yeah.
But you saw one race car?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, you ready to go into Costco
Yes.
and do our late May grocery shopping haul?
Yeah.
What should we get?
Some bananas.
Oh, bananas is a good idea.
Other bananas are brown.
They all turn brown?
Yeah.
You should have eaten them faster.
Look at all those water stuff.
Oh, yeah, boats and stuff.
Yeah.
We got the Cuisinart air fryer on sale. They got the Keurig on sale.
Yeah.
Got some good stuff.
Yeah, but can I?
Is there anything you need that's like a coffee maker or a Ninja Creamy or a Nespresso?
No.
Do you want Nespresso?
No.
Oh, I bet you'd like it. Oh, there's a nice KitchenAid mixer. That's not on sale though. Big Double Ninja. Oh, they got the Crisp Instant Pot Duo Crisp for $74.99 here. That's the last one though.
How does two handles there?
I know, isn't that crazy?
Yeah, but
Two-handled air fryer. Who would have thought of such a thing?
Look at that.
There's some baskets. Do we need baskets?
Yeah.
Yes, always. Those are cute. I realized on my last video that I say cute way too often. I'm going to try not to say cute so much. Can you help me? You're no help at all. Why did I even bring you? Ooh, I like these. They look nice. I still think these are really cool.
Mom.
Taco holders.
Toys.
Huh?
Toys.
Oh, knives. Yeah, I already have some knives at home.
And scissors.
This is the pack of kitchen shears I have. I had a couple people ask about that.
I want that.
I already have some.
But I
Got them
want-
here at Costco.
Mommy, you don't have the green ones. Mommy, you don't have the green one.
I do have the green one.
But do you have the blue one?
Oh, I still like these.
But do you have
Only
the
$9.97 for the
blue
bowl
one?
set of 3
Mom,
bowls.
do you have a blue one?
Yeah, I have all of them because I have the whole set.
But can we go with that?
I can't resist. I like these too much. And for $10 for 3 big bowls, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Mom, there's one little bowl and 2 big bowls.
Oh, there are 3 different sizes: big, medium, and small.
Yeah.
Do you think we need some cucumbers?
No, I want watermelon.
Watermelons.
Can you get one?
We probably won't get watermelon this time. We'll save that for closer to summer.
Yeah.
We just got you oranges, but Daddy really liked the navel oranges last time. Maybe we should get him some of the big ones. Does that sound good?
Yeah, but where are they?
We'll find them. All right, Autumn wanted some more
I like them.
cherry tomato. You do, but you didn't eat them last time. Remember, you said you liked them and you were going to eat them, and then you didn't eat any of them.
No, I can't eat some
When we get home?
Yeah.
All right, I'll believe it when I see it.
What?
I really will.
Why is this open?
Uh-oh, is that one open?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I think you did it.
I did not.
You didn't?
No, but no. Let me get this strawberry.
I did. I already got strawberries. Now I'm getting carrots for you. Don't you love carrots?
Yes.
Oh, good.
You love strawberries and blueberries. Yum. And I'm down. I don't like this cold.
We're almost done. We're almost done in the cold. They're running low on bananas, it looks like. Yeah, we don't want to get too many because they're already very ripe. Oh, well. There's the oranges for Dad. We'll grab a bag of those. We have those at home already.
But are they rotten?
No, they're not rotten.
But we ate all of them.
No, we didn't. There's still a bag. I just bought it.
Oh, more?
Yes. So the price has gone up on these, but they're still the cheapest place to get them that I've seen. This looks kind of yummy. Diced pork, but it's got a little bit questionable ingredients. Maltodextrin, modified cornstarch, 4 carbs per serving.
Need here.
What do we need here? Look, sous vide pork belly. That looks yummy. 5 carbs per serving. It's got sugar. All right, Levi, it's gonna get tight in here. You ready to sit with some paper towels?
No.
You're gonna get buried because we got to get toilet paper too. Oh, I can't even see Levi anymore. Is he even there? All right. Oh, do they not have the COSTCO brand one? All right, take what we can get. More burger patties.
Can I do this one?
No,
But, Mommy,
I'll just do one.
bread.
Huh?
Got me bread.
Bread? No, it's burger patties. Oh, good. They have more of this. This is good.
Mommy, you want more of these?
Yes, I do. I'm gonna get 2.
Yeah.
Levi, are you helping?
No.
I thought you were gonna help me push. Wow, that's not really helping very much.
This good?
Is that good?
Yeah.
You think that's helping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get a couple of these. Huh? Oh, this is not a jungle gym.
What?
We're not at the park. Remember we just went to the park this morning? That was where you were supposed to be climbing. Not here.
I want to.
I got you cheese sticks. Oh, we can check. Oh, it looks like a yogurt sample. You want to try a yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what it is.
What it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Let me grab one for you.
yogurt sample.
Yeah.
That's the last of the blueberry one. I was putting 2 of each flavor on my tray.
I think you got. Oh,
Yeah, I did.
I gotta check to see the lemon.
Don't open it. Oh, the second one until, yeah, no. The first one is gone,
All right.
right?
Good.
Oh,
The lemon curd in this one does not have eggs, so you're safe. Whew, that was a close one, huh?
Yeah. This is yum.
Is it? Yeah, that yogurt is so good.
Yep.
All right.
I have lemon.
Lemon, yes. These are on sale. Gotta stock up. Make life easier. They're $4 off. That's a pretty good deal. Ooh, it's getting heavy, Levi. I think we're about done, don't you think?
You get perfect garbage.
Oh, actually, there was one thing I wanted to get down here that I forgot.
Mom.
Oh, it's okay. We'll pass another garbage. I haven't gotten these in a while. They look good. We'll grab some. What? I don't even know what you're talking about. You got a piece of rice on your face. Can you get it? No, it's still there. There, you got it. Good job. That's a pretty good price for boneless.
Is that garbage sample?
It's just a garbage can.
Is that
A couple of these. Autumn requested for
Let's
ramen.
put a sample.
A sample garbage can?
Yes.
No, that's silly.
Sample.
There's no sample, just a garbage can.
A sample garbage can. There's sample garbage can.
You want to take a sample out of the garbage can?
Yes.
No, that's gross.
$5.99.
Oh yeah.
$5.49. $10.99. 23.59. Help is required for this item. Please continue scanning other items. Help is on the way. $11.99. Credit $4. $14.79.
What did you say, Levi?
Might have got done.
It may have gotten dark. Why?
Because that was scary.
No, why would it get dark?
I don't know.
Do you think it's dark outside right now?
Yes?
No, it's not dark yet. We didn't shop that long. Goofball.
You dark.
It is not dark yet. It's still daytime. All right, let's do a back of the car grocery haul. I've got all of my non-food items here first. Got some shorts that I think are going to fit Charity, but if they don't, they will go to Renee. If I can remember my children's names. Got these bowls. They were too adorable to pass up, and for only $9.97 I had to do it. Some toothpaste for kids, some paper towels, and some toilet paper, and that's all the non-food. I got 2 packs of the chicken wings to stock up on, 2 bags of the chips, but Levi is already eating one, big bag of oranges. I ended up getting 3 of the Waterloo because we love those, stocking up on that. The Hum kombucha was on sale, so I got one of those for my husband. Then over here I got 4 of the avocado spray, carrots, frozen strawberries, 2 packs of pepperoni for the kids, 2 packs of ramen for Autumn, 2 things of breakfast sausage links, frozen beef patties, beef sticks, cucumbers, blueberries, strawberries, grape tomatoes, 1 thing of bananas, mushrooms, and string cheese. And then the last thing up here is the pork country style boneless ribs. So the total that I spent at Costco today, $433.40. Didn't feel like I got that much, but that's the way the world is going, isn't it? So I'll do a quick scan of the receipt here just in case there's anything people wanted to see the prices of. Hopefully you can get a view of that. Thanks for going shopping with us today, and we will see you again in another video. You want to say bye? You want to say bye?